लँड रिकॉर्ड मॉडर्नायज करूंक केंद्र सरकारान नक्षा हो पायलट प्रकल्प सुरू केला. गोंयांत 3 जाग्यांचेर प्रकल्प सुरू आसा. प्रकल्पाचो पयलो टप्पो खंय पुराय जाला.
Stage is come that we have to get titles. We have to get his information that he really owns that land. So we will now do the inquiry, and for that reason we have issued this notification. Therein we said now you will come back. You will come and see that all your points have been picked up. All your points have not been picked up. Some people, there was a situation today as well wherein somebody said I wasn't there and my survey was not done and I didn't get a notice. So I said very well. So you take a notice today. I will send my surveyor tomorrow, and he will go back. He will pick up your points. Okay. So once your points will be picked up, you will again, as we told you, that this is also not the final stage. It is a draft broker that will be prepared after this ground truthing is done. Again, there will be a 1 month period. There will be a 30-day period kept for you to file your objections and claims on what has been done. Today, you are coming here to check whether your inquiry with respect to your plot is complete, like in the sense all your points are picked up.
So,
Yellow lines. The yellow lines have come to us. It came by the Survey of India. Now, those lines had errors in the sense they would not know the property boundaries until we had gone and done ground truthing. Now, what is ground truthing? Ground truthing is going to the point and taking those red color dots.
Okay.
The red color dot is an actual reading taken of what you have shown to me on ground. Now, you will come back to my office and you will also see whether these red points are meeting your dots.
so now that procedure is going
That procedure I will do now, okay? And then if you are satisfied or you say that, okay, still 2-3 points of mine are missing or something, you find that my point is not connected, your plot is not complete, I will not be able to generate a card for you. Let me tell you that. Unless I get all your corners. There are 5 points as a property. 5 point मेळपाक जाय. If I don't get the 5th point, if I have 4 points, I will not be able to complete your polygon. So I have to come back again. म्हाका परत तुजेकडे येवचो पडटलो.
Okay.
So I will come back again, send my surveyor and connect to that point. That is basically this inquiry. Once the polygon gets generated, it gets a unique identification number. Unique identification number जेन्ना generate जालो, ताका मागीर हांव तेजे ROR information, that is record of right information, I have to start feeding to it. Which is why I require your title document. So तो आधार कार्ड आसा तो आमी that also we can record into that. तो mobile number record करू शकता आमी. Address of the owner. So all that information will be fed under that ROR entry that will be given over there. Thereafter, a draft pro card will be prepared, which will be kept again for 30 days for claims and objection on that.
मजगती पणजी सीसीपीन आणि ताळगांव वाठारांत पडताळणी सुरू केल्या. 16 जुलय सावन मडगांव आणि कुंकळे व्हेरिफिकेशन जातलें. मजगती मेळटा ती म्हायती प्रमाण 1970 ते 1976 निमणो लँड सर्वे जाल्लो. प्रुडंटा खातीर महेश गाडी आनी चेतन गांवस.